tire meat right here, dog. Bro, that bumper's fire. Damn.
Look at that one. That one.
Bro, he has the Pride lights, dog. Oh shit, I need those, dog. Bro, he has the Japanese lettering. Bro, I can't compete no more. I feel bad for my car too, because I literally have no gas, and I just did like 3 or 4 pulls with this little Mercedes. But I'm literally on my way to the gas station before I head home. So yeah, I'm sorry baby, I'm sorry to have to do it to you. He was full bolt-on tune, so you know, he came up next to me, had a little purple tune going on, wanted to have some fun. At the end of the day, he got gapped every time. But yeah, so I'm gonna put gas, head back home, and that's probably gonna be it for this video. Cool little car meet, very, very small, but it still got Ratchet, surprisingly. I mean, it only takes one guy to make a meet Ratchet. So yeah, that was about it. There was a second spot. We were there for like 20 minutes, like literally like a fifth of what everyone at the first meet went to the second meet. And you know, cops came, we left, that was it.